Come shop with me at Macy's. Let's see if they've got some new arrivals or if they've got some great after Christmas sales. I'm really excited because I have not been in Macy's in a very long time. Okay, so we are going to go straight to the handbags and see what we can find. This is Brahmin. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And you can see the chain on here. And this one is going for $215. And they have a very similar collection. So here's the handbag. This is more smaller bag. This would be like the medium size one, and then they've got the larger one. This larger one is going for, the price is cut off. Okay, so these two didn't have prices. This is similar in style because of the loop thing. It's the same brand, but just to give you an idea, this one is $295. Okay, I did find this brand called Patricia Nash, and they have the small little bags with the little keychain on the end. This one is going for $69, and they have the tiny little mini ones. These are more like the purse charms, and these are going for $49. Now here's a really good sale. This is DKNY, 50% off, and this one's regular $148, and it's suede and leather. That's really pretty. And here's another rack. And these are also DKNY. You can see the top, pretty hardware. This one's $168. And it comes in the silvery, shimmery one, and then this red, and then of course the black. Okay, and you all know I love bling. Look at this handbag. It is completely rhinestoned out. This one is $198. I'm gonna take that off. Oh, that would be perfect for like a New Year's Eve party. So nice. I did find a wallet from DKNY. This one's going for $98. So if you're more into the actual brand logo, there's some purse charms. Oh, that's cute with a keychain. It's like a little coffee cup. What else do they have on here? Or a little apple. Oh, that's cute. And this is $58 for these two items. Okay, the Sunglass Hut, 50% off. Oh, it says 50% off additional pairs, so buy one, get one 50% off. These are also Michael Kors. Quickly glance at some of these. These are cute. I love the tortoiseshell sunglasses. Those are so pretty. Okay, so these are actually Tory Burch, and these are $233. Okay, you can't really tell, so let me flip the camera around. There we go. So these are Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. Super pretty. And these were going for $354, and the sales representative told me that if I only want one pair, I can get them for 20% off versus buying one and getting the other one 50% off. They said that this is new for here, that they just got them in September, so these are Moncler. And these are cute sunglasses. These are going for $587. And of course, they have Ralph Lauren and Coach. These purple ones are pretty. These are $245. You can see the Coach logo on the side. Okay, I'm walking over to the jewelry department. They have a special for $19.99. And there are these cute Disney branded items. So this one is a necklace with little earrings. Look at this cute little necklace. It almost looks like a mother of pearl right in the middle. And this is also a Disney ring that says love. And like I mentioned, these are all going for $19.99. Okay, I found some Kendra Scott. These are 20% off, and they have some really pretty earrings. Okay, so the regular price on this is $60, but I really did think this is very pretty. It says happiness comes in a yellow box. So you get two identical. So this is kind of like a mother-daughter set. This one I was not able to find a price on. Okay, I found another table that's $19.99. Look at those beautiful earrings, silver-plated cubic zirconia. There's another pair. This is 18 karat gold brass. Look at the side. They're in the shape of a heart. And they do have a lot of silver, mostly silver toned earrings here. $16.99. And these are fine silver plated. This one's got 3 necklaces on it. Here's another one. This one's really pretty. So you get 3 different styles. And these are all by a brand called Unwritten. Maybe you'll get some ideas. And I'll show you one more. This one is also a set of 3 necklaces. One says love, one with a little heart, and then the little diamond or cubic zirconia. Okay, I'm a huge fan of brooches, and I just found a table filled with them. These are $20.99. Look how pretty that is. These are by Anne Klein. And look at these two swans. Oh, this is a gorgeous brooch. Here's a butterfly. Let me show you one more. This is in the shape of a heart. How gorgeous is that? And again, these are going for $20.99. And on the same display, they have a lot of bracelets. So if you want to do a set, like this would look really pretty. Here's a bracelet to go with that brooch. That would be a great gift either for yourself or to someone. Here are some other bracelets. Oops, that's upside down. There we go. There's this beautiful green. Oh, it's a little, that almost looks like a little bee or a little bug. How cute. As you can see, they have plenty to choose from. That one's really pretty. Okay, so let's make our way over to the shoe department and see what they've got. Now, if you're looking for something to wear for New Year's, these are on sale for $79.99. These are Steve Madden. How pretty. What a beautiful shoe. I love the rhinestones on there. I did find some Michael Kors shoes. These are almost like a little wedge heel of a sneaker. That's really cute with the little details on there. Let me see if I can find a price on these. Okay, so these are going for $165. There's some shimmery red ones. This one has a thick platform on there. And these are going for $135. Okay, so these are by Ink, which I absolutely love this brand. This is for Macy's. And look at these sneakers. Aren't they the cutest? Filled with rhinestones. And these are going for $44.99. These are actually appear to be on sale. So here they have them in black. These are also going for $44.99. This gorgeous heel. I love the pointed toe heel. It's such a classic look. And then here are some also wedge-heeled tennis shoes. These are also going for $44.99, completely blinged out. I'm really trying to be very careful. There are a lot of people in the shoe department, so I'm trying not to get in their way. I'm going to quickly just glance over some of the other shoes that they have here. And of course, boots. You know how much I love boots. Now, these are by Gianni Bernini. Look at these suede ones, or at least I think they're suede. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and if you're looking for more of a chunkier boot, these are by Madden Girl. These are, I believe, $89. Yeah, these are $89. Turn that around so you can see it a little better. But the details definitely on the other side. And here are some other ones. So these are the same as the black one. These are brown, but these are like a faux suede, or at least I think it's a faux suede. And these are also going for $89. Okay, and here they have a Lucky Brands. They also have Toms on the table. So, like, these are Toms right here. These right here are also Toms. But these are the Lucky Brand ones. And these are going for $89. And I love a white tennis shoe. So these are, to me, just call out my name. These are also Lucky Brand. And these are going for $79. And there we go. Okay, so if you're looking for something for New Year's Eve, right now they've got them at 33% off. This is by MSK. This one technically is a shorter dress. So the regular price on this one is $89. I'm hoping they have a lot of mannequins because sometimes it's easier to see what the dress will look like once it's on. So that one's really pretty. Let me see. Okay, I'll bring it up close. You can see the beading on the outside. So this is by Betsy Adams. And this is $299. Quite honestly, if you're getting yourself ready for prom, this would be a great time to come looking for dresses. So this one right here is also 33% off. This is by Alex Evenings, and this is $199. I'm going to back up just so that you can see what they look like. The detail on this one is definitely on the shoulders. And here's this black one. It's got like a lace overlay, but you can see the details on the shoulder as well. Okay, here's an all satin one. This is by Adriana Papel. This one is going for $189. And this one is also 33% off. Now, as you can tell, they have a lot of long dresses, long evening dresses, 33% off. Oh, that's pretty. What is that? This is definitely very formal. SLNY. This is for $149. You can see the ombre look on here with this deep purple burgundy and then going back into the purple. And then the top is all black. If you're looking for something a little less formal, they have short dresses. I'm just going to quickly scan through. I'm going to have to probably turn down the music on this because it's kind of loud. I like this halter top style with the sash in the back. How much is this going for? This is actually on sale for $47.40. I'm telling you, if you have prom, this would be a great time to come looking for dresses. I'm going to show you one more dress. But look at the detail on this dress. It's got this gorgeous gold piece right at the front. This is regular $69. This is by Senny and Cade. I'm going to back it up so you can see it a little better. So if you don't want anything blingy, but you do want to stand out a little, this is beautiful. And this one right now is 33% off. Okay, so before I leave, I did find this area called Macy's Backstage. I'm guessing these are all like clearance items. So this is really cool. I hadn't been back here. So it is definitely more of a clearance area. $39.99 and under. These are all men's clothes, $24.99 and under. I did find something with a price on it. This is by Modern Culture. And this is men's, and this is $11.99. I hadn't been back here. This was a great find before I took off. Okay, what do we have here? U.S. Polo Association. So this is a hoodie. Okay, the regular price is $52. It's going for $26.99. Okay, so not only do they have clearance for clothing, they've got housewares. Home decor. Let's see if I can find something unique. How much is this going for? $9.99. Okay, I'll let you keep watching. Oh, here I said I was going to leave. That's cute. Oh, here's a cute little pan with a little spatula on here. $5.99. Oh, like I'm really stunned. This is awesome. Okay, look at this. Look at this cleaver. This is by Tahari. $5.99. If you guys have a Macy's Backstage, go hit it up. Look at this tiny little saucepan. I don't want to say tiny, but this is $8.99. And of course, I'm always fascinated by kitchenware because I have a cooking channel as well. So I love looking at kitchen items. I'll link it down below. If for some reason you didn't know or didn't know where to find me, let me know if you want me to do a video just on the clothes that I find here at Macy's Backstage, because this is amazing. $14.98. Okay, I'm going to walk around just to see what else they have, but I'm going to go ahead and start ending this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss that next video. I'm going to try and start hitting up different stores that I don't normally do, such as Nordstrom Rack, which is where I'm headed to next, and then also stores like Dillard's. And let me know what you want to see. Okay, look at this. All these handbags. I'm going to come back and do a video just for here. London Fog. That's cute. $24.99, regular $78. Okay, like I said, I'm going to have to come back and do another video because I am in awe. They even have shoes back in the back. I happen to glance over. I don't know if you can see back there. This is a fun part. $34.99 for 9 West. I'm going to go. Have an absolute wonderful day. Again, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in the next one.